Narthi.
Namaskara. Yesterday, you know English?
Yeah, tell me, ma'am.
I don't know Kannada, no little Kannada, but full English I am. You?
Yeah, tell me what is the problem.
Yesterday, Papa put to 50.
Okay.
Now 0. How many cut to you I put to customer? What is connection? No? Why? Talk. No English. No RS. Hello?
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Papa beating. He is telling I'll send you out to go customer talk come. I know I don't know put. How many times? How many times I put to ma son daughter? Son is good, daughter is bad. Food is not giving food. But I am crying, Papa. I'll call customer. Friend said, hello. Hello.
Yeah, tell me, ma'am.
Why no talking? I am talking, you not. Why? Which
Hello.
language is comfortable? You speak.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Comfortable English telling no. Who is that boy?
Hello.
Hello.
I'm taking the details, please, on the line.
I passed BA first language English Kannada.
What?